Hi there, welcome to my YouTube video about my 2002 Mk1 Ford Focus. It may look like a granny speck on the outside, but we'll take a walk around and see what we can discover. So as you all remember, COVID, I had to do something in my spare time, so I've got a perfectly good shed, some tools, capable hands. So I picked up this Focus cheap, and of course, as everyone does, had a YB Cosworth laying under my bench. So I thought I'd bring the two together. So as you can see externally, apart from the bonnet vent there, it looks stock standard. So we'll go to the rear and have a look inside the hatch. So just bear with me, a bit crude at this. Okay, so what have we got here? So in here we've got a 40 litre stainless tank that has a swirl pot at the base of it to the Bosch 044 high pressure pump, and you can hear a slight burble coming out of the exhaust. It's a free flowing 2.5 inch from the dump back. I did a mandrel 3 inch out of the back of the turbo. Just have a look inside here. Just, yeah, as you would expect. Come in here. So not too many modifications here. You can see I've had to raise the transmission tunnel for the MT75 gearbox, and shit, don't you hate that? There we go. And it's got full Haltech engine management. This is the Elite 1500. I've got it tucked away in my glove compartment there. And 12 position rotary switch, just so I can choose whatever boost setting I'd like. And then there's some little plugs to go in my gear shift light, because it gets there that quick. I haven't got time to look at a tacho. Just basic additions, a boost gauge and shift light to the dash. Okay, so let's get to the business end of things. Hopefully the light's shining nicely in the engine bay. Just bear with me for a second. Okay, there we have it. I've just recently given it a full overhaul with some fresh Motortech Cosworth pistons, 0.5 mil oversize. It's got a Garrett core in the GCG housings of a GDX 3076R Gen 2, pumps heaps of air. Currently wastegated at 12 pounds, but it soon boost up to 30 pounds. Bailey's catch can system there. These engines are notorious for breathing. And I've plumbed in the original Focus airbox there, and battery carrier. And because I'm in the teething stages, I just like to keep an eye on the oil pressure. So it's got, the car itself has Sierra independent rear suspension throughout, and with the viscous limited slip diff, 3:6 ratio I believe. Gas gold coilovers front and rear, Sierra quick rack, so the manual steering is pretty heavy. So yeah, so yeah, it's heaps of fun. Boost comes on with about 2,700 revs and just hauls ass. So yeah, really happy with the finished product. So yeah, so hopefully it's up there with the ultimate sleepers. So anyway, I won't ramble on for too long. So I just, thought instead of compiling lots of individual photos that I've posted up on my Instagram page at Focus Cosworth, I just thought I'd spend a few minutes and compile this. So anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching.